In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email with CC using Salesforce. Whether you're reaching out to a client, colleague, or partner, sometimes you want to keep others in the loop by including them as carbon copies or CC on your message. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process from logging into Salesforce all the way to sending your email. First, let's start by logging into Salesforce. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button and wait for your Salesforce homepage to load. You'll now be on the main dashboard where you can see all your apps and tools. Next, we'll navigate to the right app. At the top left corner of the screen, there is a button called the App Launcher. It looks like a grid or a few dots stacked together. Clicking on this button displays a list of all the available apps in Salesforce. From here, type Sales into the search bar or find it in the list, and then select it. The Sales app is designed with all the tools you need for managing leads, contacts, opportunities, and much more. Once you're inside the Sales app, direct your attention to the navigation bar at the top of the page and click on Contacts. This is where you'll find a list of all your contacts. Browse through the list or use the search bar if you know the name of the contact you need. Once you find the right person, click on their name to open up their contact record. Now, on the Contacts page, scroll down until you find the Activities section. In this section, you should see an option to send an email. Simply click on Email. This will open up the email composer where you can start drafting your message. If you want to CC someone on this email, take a look in the email composer for the CC option. It's usually located near the To field. Click CC and additional fields will appear. Here, you can type the email addresses of everyone you'd like to include as a carbon copy. This is a great way to keep supervisors, teammates, or other stakeholders informed about the conversation. To make composing your message even faster, you can use a template. Look for the option to insert a template within the email composer. Often this is represented by a Templates button. Click it, browse the available templates, and select the one that best suits your needs. The body of your email will automatically be populated with the template content, saving you time and ensuring your communication is consistent and professional. Now that your email is ready and your CC recipients are added, take a moment to review everything to make sure it looks good. Once you're satisfied, click Send. Your email will be delivered to both the main recipient and anyone CC'd on the message, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully sent an email with CC using Salesforce. This simple process helps ensure everyone who needs to be kept in the loop gets your message quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your email communications in Salesforce.